recording. Okay, so right now I'm recording on the 4K CrossTour action camera, and I'm speaking into the microphone with my microphone plugged into the action camera. And this video is to check the 2.7K and how it performs. So I'll put this little segment at the end of this video so you can see this detail. And what I actually will do is, let me do a little tour. So right now this is the action camera, and you can see I'm doing a little recording here, and this recording is to test the camera settings and how it performs. This is at 2.7K and this is what we have. So how does this perform? Well, we'll find out shortly, because I'll upload this and you can check it out. Would I recommend the camera? I'll have to use it for longer to find out. So let's see how this footage performs.